Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and they will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we are stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue.
What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest. In the past you've told me that you'd like to see more of body cameras, security cameras and that kind of stuff. Security is a priority, and which is why I've got this product here, yet again another body camera, and here's what the box looks like. This is just 13 quid, so really cheap, and it's available on Temu, AliExpress, on Chinese websites. It's also available on Amazon, which is quite pricey, in fact 30 quid. I'd certainly recommend buying this from Temu or AliExpress, of course. Now these devices work with SD cards and they don't connect to the internet, which means that they are very useful and you don't have to be worried about someone breaching your privacy, that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's in that sense, it's a pretty cool tech to use in 2025 as well. It's something that we would still recommend at the price point of 13 quid. If you want to go pricier and you want to share your footage and stuff to your family and friends and that kind of stuff, then we'd probably recommend something else. But for now, 13 quid. SD card. This is a body cam. It's got a screen as well, and it's got that adjustable camera system as well. So certainly we wouldn't recommend anything else at this price point. Okay, so here's the box. It says body cam, made in China, of course. At the back you've got some specifications, 2 million pixels or 2 megapixels to make it simple. And there's infrared night vision, clip design, noise reduction, and internal battery that will give you about 10 hours of battery backup. So if you're biking or walking, elderly people, they can just clip it on and it's up and running, ready to go. If there's an incident, it would record. Of course, you'd have to keep it secure. If there's a theft and stuff, you would have the footage of the person who might be causing harm to yourself or someone around. So it's very useful to capture the footage and then use it for evidence. Nothing much to talk about. This is pretty much how the device is. And varied use cases, biking, walking, trekking, cycling, getting lost really. Here's the MP3 player that we have recently reviewed, and this body cam, you're up and running and you're going to be good to go. So yeah, without any further ado, let's open this box and see what we have inside. So nice and simple, put only one seal on the side, and here comes your camera. I'm going to get rid of the box and take out the camera. This is the camera. What else do you get out of the box? Probably cables and stuff and user guide. Yep, so this is the cable, Type-C port, which is good. So the instruction manual says law enforcement instrument. Instructions for use, you can clip it on. There are these buttons that you can use. SD card insert, power on, upper key, lower key, and that kind of stuff. Should be useful for future referencing if you've got this product and you've forgotten or you lost your instruction manual and that kind of stuff. So it should be useful. I'm going to quickly skim through the pages, so hopefully you have a record for later on for usage if you need it. It's in other languages as well. So I'm going to quickly skim through these pages. I'm not going to read through all of those. There's the USB port at the bottom. So certainly for people who've forgotten and don't remember those controls and stuff, should be very useful to all of you guys. Alright, so moving on. I'm just quickly skimming through all of these pages, so hopefully you just keep a record of all the stuff that's there in this book. I'm going to skip all of the rest of it. Obviously it's not English, so unfortunately I'm not going to go through that, but I would have a link available for the product, so hopefully that would be a user manual as well in the product description or something in there. So that's the document, that's the instruction manual, and here's the camera itself. So here it is, voila! You've got a 3/4 at the back, so you can obviously mount it. Although I'm not sure why it's like this, probably because this camera can be turned in this direction. So it obviously have that coverage, and this can be mounted as well in a 3/4 screw hole, okay. Then also there is a clip-on design, so you can, how does it work? Okay, so you can't just press the clip on. So it basically goes through the pocket and sticks in there. That's the body camera, that's the screen, and let's just take the cover off of the screen. So that's the screen cover, that's the screen, this is the camera. The camera does also have a cover. Okay, so yeah, ready to go, ready to be turned on. Type-C port at the bottom, there's all these buttons, power button over here, mic over here, and up, down, and that kind of stuff. So let me just turn it on and see what the display looks like. It's loud. It's got audio as well, which is pretty cool. And if you look at that, this is a live footage from this camera. And just turn towards the recording. So that's me recording at the moment. And yeah, it looks pretty cool, but it's upside down. So probably there's a way to flip, hopefully. No videos and that kind of stuff, okay. It does require SD card, I believe. No card yet, so I promise you that this doesn't have currently a card. So the SD card goes in over here. If I was to turn this around, it looks pretty cool. If you look at this, the display is a bit bright, but hopefully you can see this. Looks pretty nice and clean to me. Yeah, 2 megapixels seems to be working fine. It does require the SD card to start to record and stuff. The time is 15th of Jan 2024. Okay, so it's not long ago. So probably a year old in terms of manufacturing and stuff. So there's 3 things that I really like about this product. One is obviously the Type-C port. Second is the 3/4 screw hole at the back. And of course the display, the screen. So most of these cameras do not have a screen. You can still turn it on and you can make it work. But to be able to sort of look at the footage on the go, that's the deciding factor. You know, sometimes when you've started recording and it just doesn't record, that's a bit disappointing. So it's going to be obviously useful when you've turned the recording on and you can obviously see that the footage been recorded, rather than having to rush to install the SD card and test it out whether the stuff that you were recording is actually being recorded or not. So yeah, in that sense, this is perfectly fine. Looks pretty cool. It's all plastic, of course. It's not the best of body. You can't get much, like, you don't get a slick material at 13 quid, of course. It does the job, of course. I see the camera looks pretty nice, decent. It should be able to record. And it does, of course, have the IR night vision, which means in the night you can still stick it on and it should be able to record the night vision and the kind of the black and white kind of imagery, which should be pretty cool, pretty useful. And yeah, so that's the body camera. This is the new product that we have today for you guys. If you've got any questions or queries, please let us know. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always, guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.